Hey guys, it's MyLifeAsAlexa here. Yeah, as you can tell, another mukbang video. Mukbang. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I love to eat. Today is just kind of gonna be a leftover buffet. So what I have chicken nuggets, a meatball, and sauerkraut hot dish. So I know, kind of random. And then I just got some hot sauce and some ranch. And let's just begin. I have some things I want to talk about today that are more on the like serious side, I guess. For me anyway. Oh, this needs to be heated up way more. Hold on. Okay, I heated this up more, and I got a couple more things. I have some peanuts, which I will set up here. I love peanuts. And I got some unsweetened iced tea and water. So I'm good to go. Hopefully this is hot enough. Porcupine balls, meatballs are really good. Sauerkraut hot dish. I did do a mukbang on this. And on the So about some of like the more serious stuff I want to clear up. I'd like to clear up some stuff about self-love, I guess. And self-confidence, that's the word I was looking for. Before we get into that, give this video a like. Even if I have one like, I'll do this video about my crazy ex-boyfriend. Like up this video if you want me to do that. A story time. Like, I know it's kind of rude, but I mean, wanna mess with me like that? Okay. So yeah, like this video if you want to see that video. So now about the whole self-love and having better self-confidence. If you don't know me like really well, you don't know that I have a really low self-confidence, and it doesn't help that people in my household, my family, my own family, call me fat and ugly, you know, and a whore. And you know, and I started just to accept that, you know, and that's not the right thing to do. Definitely not. even if people in your family, like, are just saying that they were mad, such as, I don't know if I should say its name. But this person in my household always says things like that. And you know who you are. I'm tired of it. You know, I was to that point, you know, I was like, so many people are saying this to me. I should just start believing it, right? It's true. Like, ugly, you're a slut. That's not what you should do. You know, and if you're like me, it bothers me a lot. But, and I call myself ugly all the time. And my mom's like, do you really look in the mirror and think you're ugly? Yeah, I mean, obviously. I think I'm fat. I do. But I mean, this doesn't help either. But you know, I've started to accept my body weight because I love eating so much. You know, life is kind of too short to eat healthy. That's my motto. But, and it's so hard for me to eat healthy because, like, you know, instead of eating healthy, you know, there's always a better option. You know, so if you guys have any tips at all about starting to eat healthy, and anything like that, or even tips on becoming vegan, that helped me because I tried to be vegan too. Obviously, it didn't work. You know, if you have any tips at all, let me know in the comments down below. Because and another thing, it's kind of hard for me if I wanted to be vegan. In my household, it's kind of hard because people in my household don't respect that. My dad does. And my mom, kind of. But my brother, my little brother, he doesn't respect anything really like that. Especially vegan. And another thing about, like, how I look. My friend, she was at the pool. She called me and told me this. Two boys we had in a fight. Just over my friend Bella. Bella, like, I don't know if I should be talking about this. I'm sorry. Peanut. But, I mean, like, I guess I do get jealous over that. Like, I told my mom, boys would fight each other to get away from me. And she's like, another thing. I hate when people say, oh, you just call yourself ugly and things like that for attention. No. Not at all. I call myself fat. No. I don't do that. And if you want to think I do, go ahead, but for sure not. I mean, if you guys know me, you know that I don't do that for attention. I mean, let's do it. I mixed it. I mean, I just hate how people think about that. But, and I've gotten called ugly and fat by my own best friend. I thought she was my best friend, you know. I mean, obviously not as good as a friend as I thought she was. If you want a story time about that story, comment down below. Or here's this video, like, I might do it about my ex, and my best friend called me ugly story time. Like, you think you're friends. I am just, my heart is so forgiving that I forgive a lot of people no matter what they do. So, you know, so, you know, I'm friends with her now, but if your friend calls you ugly or fat, don't be friends with them again. I mean, I'm such a forgiving person, that's why I am.